What's up guys? Today's video is about the top 5 best lounge chair for tall person of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. Do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Homall Zero Gravity Chair. Enjoy ultimate relaxation with a zero-gravity chair that's ready to use right out of the box. This fully assembled and foldable recliner is designed for your convenience. Just unfold it and dive into comfort. Ideal for camping trips, beach vacations, or poolside lounging, this chair offers an easy way to unwind wherever you are. Constructed with a robust steel frame and strong double bungee ropes, it supports up to 300 pounds, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. A detachable, fully padded pillow can be adjusted to your liking, while the breathable fabric keeps you cool on hot days. With an innovative lockable reclining system, you can smoothly glide to your desired angle, reaching up to 145 degrees for the perfect position to relax. The elastic cords automatically adjust to your body, providing ergonomic support and relieving pressure. Perfect for the backyard, patio, lawn, or garden. This chair enhances any leisure space, transforming your surroundings into a sanctuary of comfort and relaxation. Number 2. Amazon Basics Gravity Lounge Chair. Enjoy ultimate relaxation with this pair of adjustable zero-gravity chairs, designed to give a weightless, stress-free experience perfect for outdoor lounging. In an elegant beige color, these chairs come with removable padded headrest pillows for added comfort and a detachable side table with cup holders, letting you keep your essentials close at hand. With a lockable reclining mechanism, transitioning from upright seating to a reclined position is smooth, allowing you to find your ideal relaxation angle effortlessly. The durable steel frame and double bungee support system securely attach the weather-resistant textiline fabric to the frame, ensuring stability and longevity, even in outdoor settings. Designed with ergonomic contouring, the armrests enhance comfort while adding to the overall support. Each chair supports up to 300 pounds and folds flat for easy storage or portability, making it a breeze to transport to the beach, park, or campsite. The freestanding side table with integrated cup holders adds functionality, keeping your drinks within reach as you relax in style. Number 3. Steel Mesh Zero Gravity Lounge Chair. Experience the ultimate in outdoor relaxation with a chair that adjusts effortlessly to your body, gliding smoothly into a zero-gravity position to relieve pressure and provide ergonomic comfort. Built with a lockable reclining system, it ensures your preferred angle stays securely in place, enhancing the experience whether you're lounging in the yard, beachside, or at a sports event. Its lightweight, foldable design makes it incredibly easy to transport, allowing you to bring this relaxation essential wherever you go. Crafted for convenience, it includes a detachable tray, thoughtfully designed with 2 cup holders, a phone holder, and a tablet holder, so your favorite refreshments and entertainment are always within reach. The chair's durable, flexible textiline fabric provides reliable support, while the robust steel frame supports up to 250 pounds, making it suitable for various body types. Built to last, this chair is perfect for both casual use and those extended lounging sessions. Enjoy comfort, portability, and thoughtful design, all rolled into one stylish seating solution. Number 4. Suteck Zero Gravity Chair. Experience unparalleled comfort and relaxation with this oversized zero-gravity chair, engineered for both durability and comfort. Once unpacked, the generously cushioned mat quickly fluffs up, while the sturdy 1.6-inch steel tubing provides remarkable stability, supporting up to 500 pounds. Ideal for outdoor settings, its premium textiline fabric, double elastic straps, and breathable mesh enhance airflow, ensuring comfort even on warm days. The chair's upgraded aluminum lock allows smooth adjustments from 90 degrees to 170 degrees, locking securely in place to create a true zero-gravity experience, elevating you 20 inches off the ground for complete relaxation. Designed with an ergonomic focus, this recliner relieves pressure on the shoulders, back, and lower back, perfect for unwinding fully or even catching a restful nap. The 4-inch thick cushion, detachable for summer ventilation, and padded headrest add extra coziness, while a multifunctional cup holder keeps essentials like drinks, phones, and keys within reach. Lightweight and foldable, this chair is easy to carry and suited for versatile outdoor enjoyment from the backyard to the beach, enhancing any leisure setting. Number 5. DoCred Folding Chaise Lounge Chair. Enjoy the ultimate comfort and relaxation with this adjustable, portable chaise lounge chair, crafted for those who love outdoor adventures or simply unwinding at home. Featuring a 5-position adjustable locking system, this chair allows you to recline or lay flat to find the most comfortable position, which helps relieve muscle tension and reduces stress. Designed with both portability and durability in mind, the chair easily folds down to a compact size of 30.7 x 26.8 by 9.8, making it convenient to carry on any trip. Its heavy-duty frame, made from sturdy aluminum and iron tubes, ensures long-lasting support, holding up to 440 pounds. For added comfort, a soft pad and detachable pillow come included, making this folding recliner ideal for lounging at the beach, relaxing by the pool, or even taking a refreshing nap in the office. The breathable materials enhance comfort, especially on hot days, making it versatile for camping, road trips, and more. This chair is the perfect blend of functionality and comfort, ready for any adventure or relaxation moment. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.